And here we have this amazing Porsche GT3 RS. Such a fan of this car. I mean, it is so mean looking with the orange. It's like a dark orange. And having the tailpipes like that, you're probably wondering, what is going on down here? What is going on? But this is the only way to pass the 90 decibel limit here at Laguna Seca right now. So by changing the direction of the end pieces of the exhaust pipes, you can dodge that sound limit. So you can actually enjoy this car on a $200 track day. If your car is too loud, like the GT500 used to have, you got to pay like $600 for a track day here for a 105 dB day. And even on a 105 dB day, I got black flag. Well, actually, it was a meatball flag. To take your car in, it's too loud for a 105 dB day. So no, you can't track the 500s here. I'm crossing my fingers that the Z06 won't have any issues because it is flat plane crank, it is high revving. Hopefully it's not going to be too loud. But as you can see, he pulled off his carbon stripe brakes. He's got the Nanking tires, R compounds, and I love the way this car sits in the rear. As you know, it is rear engine, but the way the entire package comes together is so impressive. After seeing that new GT4 RS, that car is so impressive, isn't it? And it's crazy knowing how the GT4 RS has the same exact engine essentially as the new 992 GT3, right? And the new 992 GT3 is basically as fast as this beast right here. But big difference is tires as always, so he is not running his Cup 2Rs. The new 992, how it got as fast as the GT3 RS is because it ran with Cup 2Rs. So if you buy these vehicles, odds are you might not want to run Cup 2Rs because they're 4,000 almost a set. But that being said, if you want the ultimate lap times possible, of course you got to get them. Where's your racing suit, Mark? You got to get one.
I'm not fast enough.
Alrighty, Mark. Dude, appreciate again the ride in the
no problem.
GT3 RS. First time being in this beast right here. Curious to see how it is compared to the GT2. GT2 feels like it's got a ton of punch out of a corner, but this is all NA, right? This is a totally different kind of track style. so balanced. It just seems like you're not fighting the wheel. It's not giving you something that you don't want. It seems very neutral. I see why you have fun tracking this car, and it sounds this good that you can survive a 90 dB day with what you did to the rear end. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's very composed, and you don't have to be on the ragged edge to really enjoy going fast.
Oh, it's just fun. Honestly, it's just fun in the passenger seat. There's nothing that sounds like this. I truthfully love that rear end grip that you have.
Yeah, thanks.
And even with the front end, you can, like you were saying earlier, with the dive planes, you've got aero. And with that being said, it's just, you can brake late into corners, and I didn't feel one time the tires start moving out from under you. Not once.
Yep.
Amazing, dude. Again,
thanks so much.
Thank you a lot for the ride. It's crazy how you went from, you know, the GT350R. This is kind of like the next proper evolution from that car, right?
Yes.
Proper GT3.
Right. Yep.
Oh my god.
That was a fun car, but this one's more rewarding to drive for sure.
Dude.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, this is it. Just got out of the GT3 RS. One car I do want to test out is the new GT4 RS. We've driven a GT4. It was a phenomenal vehicle. But given the RS brings what the GT4 is and into the next level, I am excited to see what it's like. Getting out of the GT3 RS today, I was very impressed with how well that car puts down the power being rear engine. It's a totally different sensation. Porsche, they know what they're doing. They know how to control a car on track. They know how to engineer the aerodynamics. They know how to properly tune a dual clutch transmission. It feels so easy to drive just from the passenger seat perspective, but also fun because of that sound going to around 9,000 RPM. I'm becoming a major fan of Porsches, so I do want to try to look into trying to see what it's like to get a new GT4 RS, but everyone who I've talked to has been telling me there's $100,000 markups, which blows my mind. Can you imagine paying a $100,000 markup on a new GT4 RS? That's insane. I don't think any car is worth a $100K markup. No offense to the GT4 RS, the car looks amazing, but it's just crazy because these dealerships, they already make enough money, it seems like. But no. When it comes to the new RS models, they gotta charge insane prices. It reminds me a lot of like what Mercedes-Benz dealers do when it comes to the AMG Black Series. $300,000 over sticker. Is any car truthfully worth six figures over with a markup? I don't even think a Z06 is worth a substantial markup because you're essentially throwing that money away. You'll never see it ever again. So, in my opinion, try to do as much research as you possibly can to get the best deals possible. Try to ignore the dealers with the crazy markups. Anyways, make sure to hit that like button to help me out. Also subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. I'll see all of you in the next episode.